actually present National Integration and Awareness Program. Kerala, known as Gold Zone country, Kerala has been a hotspot traveler for the world. Road to the paradise begins and ends in Kerala. Kerala is to green countryside, awesome boat, colorful festivals, exotic and coconut trees, spices plantations, and empress backwaters.
Here, the beauty can be witnessed at its birth.
Kerala is known as land of coconut trees. You can see coconut trees everywhere in the state. Kerala is also famous for its spices, especially black pepper. Kerala is known as Spice Garden of India.
Kerala is one of the smallest states in Indian Union with its capital at Tirunelveli.
Here you can see the area, 38,863 square kilometers, the entire area of Kerala, and the population is 33,387, and the population is approximately 12 in the ranking structure of India.
The land of Kerala comprises by the Western Ghats on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west. Due to the unique geographical and physical features of Kerala have been described as the favorite child of nature, with 33,87,677 inhabitants as per the 2011 census. Kerala is the third largest state by population. In 1991, Kerala became the first state in India to be recognized as a completely unique state. Through the effective recovery rate at this time was 49%.
Now, there is a great mystery behind the formation of Kerala, and we are now going to explain you that. Parishurama. There are myths dealing with the origin of Kerala, geographically and culturally. One such myth is retrieval of Kerala from the sea. Parishurama, the avatar of Mahavishnu, threw his battle axe into the sea. As a result, the land of Kerala arose, thus be reclaimed from the water. Now, two foreigners, Kevin and Catherine, came from Australia to experience the real taste and beauty of Kerala. And now, we are going to guide them through the God's own country, and you all are welcome to the outstanding journey. എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Agriculture. Agriculture in Kerala is one of the most major sectors of the economy of the state. Since it contributes around 50% of gross income of the state over the past few years, there has been an increase of nearly 100,000 hectares in the total crop area of the state. Several crops are cultivated in the Kerala. Fishing. Kerala is one of the leading producers of fish in India. People earn their livelihood from the fishing. This promotes 3% of the total economy of the state. Here you can see the pictures and Kerala's official word is Vedambu. And elephant is the major animal of Kerala. Sabrimala is one of the most worldwide famous temples. Rasul Bugatti. Hope you all know this person. He is the first person to win the Oscar Award from Kerala. Now we are going to introduce you about the Kerala tourism. Kerala is one of the popular tourist destinations over the country. Named as one of the 10 paradises of the world by the National Geographic Traveler. Kerala is famous especially for its Ayurvedic spas and beautiful backwaters. God's country was adopted in the tourism promotion and became the global super brand. Medical tourism promoted by the traditional system of medicines, Ayurvedic and Siddha is widely popular in the state and draws increasing number of tourists. The combination of many factors has led to the increase in popularity on medical tourism. High cost of healthcare in the industrialized nation has increased the affordability of international travel, improving the technology and standard of care. Now we are going to introduce to almost important art forms and dances of Kerala. First, Thiruvathirakali. Thiruvathirakali is an extremely popular folk dance performed by the women of Kerala. It is a group dance and is mainly performed on the occasion of Onam and Thiruvathirakali. Next is Daffood. Daffood is an art of prevalent in Malabar region of the Kerala state. It derives its name from the duff and the percussion instrument made of wood and ox. Daffood is performed as a social entertainment and communal festival. The next one is Margankali. Margankali is an Indian group dance originating from Kerala, practiced by St. Thomas Christians who trace their origins from evangelistic activity of Thomas, an apostle in the 1st century.
people of Lakshadweep is Malayalam. The culture of the people of Lakshadweep has got a historical link with the state of Kerala when it comes to its music and also the music and dance of the people and its island can be seen to highly influenced by the Islamic culture. Governed by the unity of government, they were also known as Lakshadweep Islands, although geographically it is only the name of the central subgroup of the group. Lakshadweep comes from Lakshadweepa, which means 100,000 islands in Sanskrit. The islands form the smallest union territory in India.
Now we are going to introduce you some of the most famous festivals of Kerala. Trishur. It is the most festival of Kerala. Now we are going to introduce the most important festival, which is Onam. Onam is the biggest and the most important festival of Kerala. It is the harvest festival and is celebrated with full joy, enthusiasm and all over the state by the people of our community. According to the popular legend, this festival is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to be visit the Kerala at the time of Onam. Now we are going to explain the history behind the Onam. Vamana asked for a simple gift. The amount of land he could measure in the 3 phases. And the king agreed to it. Bestowed his request of Vamana, then increased his structure. And with the Vamana increased his structure with the first. Let us all welcome the King Mahabali.
the traditional birth of Kerala. The race of Chundapara is the major event. Hence, Malangali is also known as the snake boat race and a major tourist attraction.
ഗോവിന്ദ നാമ സങ്കീർത്തനം ഗോവിന്ദ ഹരി ഹരി ഹരി
Yeah, race for country. Lovely.